All right, so we're back with Project Dadmobile, and I got these sick new Konig wheels. And I went to go throw them on the car and start loosening up the lug nut, and it starts getting tighter. So instead, I think it's gonna snap off. But it's good for you guys because we're gonna show you how to replace the lugs in the rear of an FA5. Let's go! You want to use a breaker bar? Yeah. Just like I said, two of the lugs on this side, no bueno. They are jammed on there. Brian thinks it's because of the salty air in San Diego. I have no idea. I've never had this many lugs get seized on the wheel stud ever in my life. Through all the Hondas I've had, so we will see. Had to call in the big guns.
Got it. That one's much easier.
Yeah, that's my experience. Check it out. Yikes. Snapped. What in the hell, dude? How?
I don't know.
That makes...
I'm not sure if those capped nuts have garbage in them that just kind of gets on the threads when you put them in, or how that happens, but yeah.
We can see this was stock. I think this was a replacement.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, we need to pull the caliper, pull this, knock these out, and get new ones. These all came off really easy, but I see this one right here. It's got kind of munched up threads. I want to come take a close look at that, but I'm gonna put a dye on it and clean them up. Yeah, there it is, right there. Starts getting a little bit grabby. That was gonna go pretty soon. You can see, just looks a little bit gnarly in there.
So is that lug still gonna be good though, you think?
Yeah, it'll be good. You'll be able to use it at least one more time.
Oh, jeez.
This is a thread file. Comes in different pitches. 150 is what these are. So with this, I should be able to clean off all the little burrs. And make it usable. Actually cleaned up nice. Gonna be good. A lot of people don't realize how these things work. You twist it like you're unscrewing it, and now it's set properly. If you think about trying to make this, if you try to do this in an unscrewing motion, it sets it to tighten it. If you do the handle in an unscrewing motion, now it's set properly.
Oh, okay.
Okay. A lot of people don't understand that, and they're tightening it and stripping it out, or they get the number 2 Phillips head, and then that's too small, and it just shears off the inside of this screw. The question is, if we drive it out, can we put one back in? So
Do we have to take off the dust shield?
Well, here's the deal. I don't know if I want to hammer this because it may bend it. So we may have to take the hub off and support it from underneath and knock the stud out. Well, let's try wrapping it lightly and see if it knocks it loose. We have this stud. It's a Honda replacement stud. It appears to be the same length. It's going to reach through. So I think these actually came out of a 2020 Civic SI.
Ooh.
So we took them out of Sally's Civic when we were putting race wheel studs in her car.
Oh, so
look at that. So you're race now.
Dang.
What we can do is we can use a nut to kind of, and a washer to kind of pull it tight in there.
Hashtag Team Sally.
Damn straight. All right.
On to number 2.
On to number 2.
You make it look easy.
There we go. A little metal spacer and a chamfered washer. Put them on like that. Draw it down. Should be able to pull it through there using the threads. This is a stock lug nut with a curved shoulder. We're not going to use that. We need to either use a flat nut pulling against it flatly, or we need to use the lug nut that's actually designed for alloy wheels, which has a taper. Let's see how that works with this washer. I hate it when I get in the wrong hole.
Not as much as the hole. What's with the dirty jokes? What is this, Speed Academy? Of course, way easier to go on than to get off. So because the hub of the wheel is 73.1 millimeters and the stock hub on the Honda is 64.1 millimeters, you can run a hub-centric center ring, or hub-centric ring, and that'll help to get the tire centered, or the wheel centered on the hub. Stance magic for cars.
We wrapped up the stud change on this car. Just to kind of let you know what happened, Aaron ran into a little bit of difficulty with the studs. I don't know what causes that, but occasionally studs just bind up and they wind up breaking coming off. So I wonder if it has to do with closed lug nuts. You had closed lug nuts on that, so maybe that might be what the issue was. But I've only ever had it happen once. I think you've had it several times on this car.
I have had it like 4 times on that side and once or twice on that side.
That's crazy. The car is cursed.
It only happened after I moved to San Diego.
Okay. Yeah, it could be a rust thing. Or that fresh sea air. So
Salty
anyway, we were able to actually drive the stud out without pulling the wheel off. I wonder if there's a tool
or the hub out.
The hub off, right. I wonder if there's a tool for that. Anyway, we got it off. We able to set the new one on by using a nut and just kind of drawing it in tightly. The threads were fine. Afterwards, we test fitted the nuts. Everything was super smooth. So we reassembled it, and then Aaron decided that this new wheel or tire, larger tire, was a little too close to the inside. So we put a couple 3mm spacers on it, which are small enough that we didn't have to go to a longer stud. And now the car is all ready to rock and roll.
I'm in the zone. Give me the throne. One shot, that's all that you got. That's all that I know. Foot on the gas. 155 on the road. You could be a friend of me, an enemy. Keep that same old energy.
Now he can have a safe trip back to California, and it will be worry-free.
And it'll be ready for our saloon shootout.
It'll be ready for the Super Saloon Shootout. So, Super Saloon Shootout should happen sometime in January. We'll be going to a little track. We have several competitions we're going to do. We're going to run them on the track, maybe do either some roll racing or drag racing.
And some other fun stuff.
And some other fun stuff. Anyway, thanks guys for clicking on us, and please like and subscribe if you like the videos. More stuff coming up. We'll talk to you later.
I'm in my element.
Do I need to go put the brake on now? Should I go put the brake on? Oh, so dumb.
Sure.